Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to run your Windows 10 11s from USB drive on any computer.
iSunshare WinToGo Genius is a professional tool for creating portable Windows on a USB drive with simple clicks. With this software, you can access your personalized computer on any compatible device with the USB drive. Now open the software. Connect the USB drive or other portable disk to the computer. Well, the drive is detected. Select it in the Select field. Hit the Native System tab. You can choose to use the PE file from your computer. If you have no time to wait, select the Shutdown when finished option. OK, click the Start button. Hit Yes and the software will create the PE system automatically. See, the computer restarts, and you can select to boot from the USB drive. After that, you can see that iSunshare WinToGo Genius is running. Just wait patiently. Now the portable system is created. After that, you can take this USB drive to run on any Windows 11 10s 8/7 computer and get into your personal Windows environment. Just connect the USB to a Windows computer. Then restart the computer and set it to boot from the USB drive. Well, you see, you enter the same working environment as your computer. So amazing!